Hi everyone, thank you for joining us on this Thursday night rock and pour. I'm sure you just saw Louise McKay art. She was before me. I'm sure she did something spectacular. After me is Angela Bliss Art. Be sure to check out all of these channels and videos. We so appreciate you being here. Let's get started. Hi everybody, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. I am so excited. I am going to be doing a very cool flower pop on glass. I am using 4 Piggies in this, and I have one that I did not mix with paint. The other 3 I mixed with other colors, and then I'm swiping with a Piggy for the first time. So why am I trying it on this glass frame? I don't know, but I'm excited about doing this. It's going to be fun. This is a 12 by 20 glass frame. I just wanted to show this to you. We'll put it back in the frame when I'm done, as long as everything works out. I love these little holders that I have for glass. We're going to use this just to begin. I'm going to move it so that I can swipe. And then once I swipe, you can unscrew these to make them the size that you want. Once I swipe, I'm going to then put it on my spinner where I can blow out the flowers in a good view for you. So again, this is glass, so be very careful. I've got some really cool colors. Let's get started. I have Master's Touch Ocean Green and Sea Glass mixed. I tried to make them as close to the same color that I could. Very pretty color. It's leaving about probably about a 2-second trace. I typically don't let it be that thick, but we're going to see how it does on the glass. Okay, that's the first color. The second color that I have is going to be Golden's Cobalt Turquoise. Here. Pretty. And then the third color that I'm going to use, this one is actually Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green with Mermaid mixed. Pretty color. Very pretty. I think there was a goober in that. Let me grab it. Got it. Yay. We don't need a goober. Okay. So that's the Pebeo and the Mermaid. Then I've got the one that I'm using on its own, and this is Unicorn. This is Unicorn. I'm going to drizzle this in. Beautiful color. Oh my gosh, it's got such a great shimmer to it. I love it. Here it is in the, look at that. I love it. I love the name. I'm in love with that color. Okay, so if anybody can tell me what this is, I'd love to know. I have had it in a container, and it's got a shimmer to it. I'm not sure what it is. So it looks, I gotta get that goober out. It looks like it's got a slight, I don't know. All I know is I'm using it. Here we go. Okay, got this light blue mystery color. This is a really pretty color. This might need to be thinned down just a little bit. Silver Lake Metallic by Parage Posse. Love this color. I am actually going to be swiping with one of my TLP favorites, and that's Velvet. I wish you could see, I'm trying to show you, there we go. That blue shimmer that is in the Velvet. I love it. I used almost the whole container, so I will be saving this. It is thick. Because this is an iridescent color, and I mixed this with Floetrol and some of Marcy's Mixed Media Pouring Medium. Mixed Media Girl. So we'll see. I think you can probably see the shimmer, the blue in there. I gotta order more, but I'm gonna save. I won't use this whole cup, I don't think, to swipe, but I'm gonna save what I don't have if it works. So a lot of experimenting here. We have the most Piggies I've ever used in a flower pop, and I'm swiping with one. So very excited. All right. We are going to get started. Oh, you do, I think, here we go. Okay. I think I need one dark color, otherwise it'll blend. So I've got Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray. Getting all excited here. Okay. Let's smooth this out on the glass. Not a lot of paint. Look at the cells. Some of these paints react differently. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Ooh, I love those colors. Okay. We're gonna swipe with a heavy line. All right, here we go. I'm assuming that where this iridescent line is, if you saw my Wizard of Oz challenge, I swiped with iridescent. It wasn't a Piggy though. So I'm gonna swipe with plastic because I think it'll pull and give me a better covering. So let's do that. Let's set it in there really heavy. And I wanna pull, not light. I really want as much of this iridescent as I can get. So this is nice. Okay, here we go. I think I'm gonna go up. Do I wanna do a full, really don't wanna mess this up. Let's do bigger petals for the first flower. Here we go. Ooh, beautiful. Okay. Push my table out of the way. Beautiful. Ooh, I love it. There we go. We're gonna leave it like that. And again, I am gonna put some black in there. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we've got our first flower. He's a beauty. I think I should come down like this. Maybe because it's a shorter canvas. Down. What do you think? Here, here, here. All right. Okay, let's get the black. All right. Got black. I hope this is a good black to use. I'm not sure, but we're gonna try it. Let's put a little bit right here. I don't want a lot. Okay, and I want to use this one. It's thicker, and I just gotta have a mental picture. Here we go. Perfect. Beautiful. All right. Whew. Scared me. Scary. Okay. Now, I love doing this on glass, but it does dry quick, so I gotta stop jibber jabbering and start the flowers. Okay. We'll go here and here. So far I like this tri-art for this flower pop. Let's keep going. Wow, look at that. Let's do a single next to the one, okay? Okay, we're gonna do a single, leave them single. I love that one. Okay, I'm going to put music on and off, and I'm finding that I originally said on that first flower that I love the tri art in this, and I really am going to take that back. It could be that it's just got, it's very fluid. It's not a real thick paint, so that could be part of it. Maybe I should have added some gel gloss to it. Oh, I love that. I wish they could all look like that one. We'd be doing good. We're going to just go through and continue. I'm going to use the same white. Now that I have gotten used to these flower pops, I can almost make any bad flower look okay. It's the colors when I mess up. But let me tell you, this TLP Velvet that I swiped with, it is stunning in person. It's just shimmery. It gives it such a soft touch. I'm in love. So another win-win using Piggies in my flower pop. Okay, let's finish up here. I will see you there. We're going to switch up. I am going to do a vine coming off, I think here and here. Here we go. What do you think? I'm in love with these wet results. I did add some white to the bottom where the flowers are to make them stand out when they're on the wall. Okay, it dried perfect. I am in love with this flower pop. I just did not think that glass would be something that would work with these flower pops, and it's just gorgeous. That top flower in real life is so subtle, and it's just got such a pretty color palette. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm so grateful again that you all follow us on Thursday night. I'm sure you saw Louise McKay art before me. Let's head over to Angela Bliss Art. Take care. Till next time.